How to delete Google Maps on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Google Maps application from your iPhone even if deletion seems impossible. So I'm going to show you how you can remove it and what to do when it doesn't work and how to quickly tackle device or profile restrictions. So what you're going to do is simply head over and long press on Google Maps over here. Once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options over here. Google Map is not a built-in application of iOS. You can simply remove it. So what you're going to do is click on Remove App, and you'll be able to see a couple of options such as Remove from Home Screen. That will only remove Google Maps from home screen, but not from your app library. If you got to permanently delete the application, you got to click on Delete App. So simply click on Delete App and you're good to go. Another way is that what you're going to do is simply long press on the background or the wallpaper. You'll be able to see all of the applications wiggling. So you're going to click on this minus icon over here right next to Google Maps. And then you'll be able to see the three options: remove from home screen, delete app, and cancel. So if you want to permanently delete it, click on delete app and you're good to go. So that is basically how you can delete Google Maps on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.